Hello, everybody. Welcome back to our channel, Malaysia Investment. Guys, today I'm going to share to you how you can gain more traffic to your website, right? This is very important so that you get more views and more new visitors to your website or even to your blog. Okay, guys, if you have not subscribed and you are new today, please smack the subscribe button so that you will not miss out any of our future great videos. Click the bell notification and smack the like button. All right, guys, let us proceed. All right, so this is gonna be the strategy that I'm gonna share to you today. I call this strategy OPT. Yes, you're right, OPT. So what is OPT? OPT stands for other people traffic. So basically, you're using a leveraging strategy here to use other people traffic to bring more traffic to your own website and blog. Okay, guys, what you need to do is that you just need to get your website to be featured in another website that already has high visitors daily. All right, so therefore you can leverage the pre-existing traffic of that particular website. So what you're doing here is that you are bringing the traffic from that website to your website. All right, so it's like borrowing website. All right, so this will save you costs because you do not need to invest so much in getting new visitors or visitors, right? This will also save you time, all right, for getting new visitors as well. So you will save money and you will save time, right? So what you need to do, you just need to put your website link or your blog link in other people's website that has a similar niche like yours, right? So since it is the same interest, all these visitors have the same interest, the probability of the existing users to click your website link is higher. For example, your blog is talking about finance. You just need to feature your website link in another website that is talking about the same topic, which is finance as well. So since all these people are also interested in financial topic, the probability of them clicking and visiting your website is very high. All right. So putting your website link in other people's website also increases the number of backlink, right? Thus improve your website Google ranking as well. So this will also improve your organic traffic as well, guys. So this will actually improve your SEO. Your website SEO will improve and you will bring in more organic traffic. Right, so let me give you an example. For example, I want to feature my blog, Malaysia Investment. So this Malaysia Investment blog talks about personal finance, investing tips, and also entrepreneurship, right? So the blog is called Malaysia Investment 88.blogspot.com. If you have not visited this blog, please go and do it right now after this video. Now, so I want to feature that blog in another website. So this is actually a very famous website in Malaysia talking about stock investment, klse.i3investor.com. So what I do is that I go to this website and I click share a site, right? When I click share a site, it will bring me to this page, right? So this website is asking me to share a news or blog site, right? So you can actually feature your website in this website. And the website also says, right, the percentage of traffic increase varies depending on the content quality. So if we have more good content quality and we update the website frequently, it will also have more traffic. So what I do is I just put in some of the details, my name, email, the site name, URL, and also brief description of this website. And I fill in all this information, that I click here, share site, right? And then it will say here, your site has been submitted for review, right? So now I just need to wait for the review from the admin of this website, and hopefully it will be approved, all right? And then it will bring in more traffic to my blog, all right? So guys, thank you for watching. So I have shared to you how to gain more traffic to your website. All right, I believe it will be helpful for you. And until now, if you still have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Click the subscribe button, click the bell notification so that you will not miss out any great upcoming videos, and smack the like button, okay? Till then, stay safe and I see you in the next video. Bye.